We are in day 5 and 6, which are pretty much half days, well, quarter days, because I actually work during these days, do other work. So as you can see, I got all of the insulation in. I had to tape it so it can all just hold up for now. But once you place the sheetrock on top of it, it'll actually push everything straight up. This is fiberglass. If you want to know what I use, I just use the friendly one from Home Depot. It's just one for small projects. See, it was like $5 or $6, I think, each of these, and I use about 6 of them for this closet. And this closet is about 5 feet wide and maybe 3.5 feet deep. And it's not all the way tall, so as you can see, the ceiling is like slanted. So yeah, this is all done. This combination of day 5 and 6. I barely did anything today, probably like 10 minutes worth of. I had a little bit of corner left over there, and that's that. So day 7, we're gonna be cutting sheetrock. I'm gonna start off with the back panel. I'm literally going to frame one big piece of sheetrock around these beams, so that way I'm not putting one against this and then 3 small ones against that. Originally, that's what I did, but I'm going to make an attempt to cut it precisely, and hopefully like it holds to be exactly that, because I can put compound and plaster in between to fill it in and flush it out, make it all even and look good. So I'm not too worried about that. As long as the cut is not too far off, we should be good. So yeah, I'm cutting one big piece right here, 3 for the ceiling, actually 2 for the ceiling. There's this part of the ceiling too, the square right here. The last one doesn't have one, but these 2 do. So there'll be one big piece here, another one here, that's 3, and then 4 right here, 5 for the light, where the light's gonna be, 6 for the wall. These should be easier cuts because it's one big one too, and then 7 for the side wall, the right wall. Then number 8 is right here. That should be 8 pieces of sheetrock. Hopefully all goes well, everything just goes smooth. I measured everything already. Just gotta cut them precisely, and then we should be good. That's the plan. All right, so I'll see you guys day 7 once I get the cuts done. Hopefully I can do the cuts and install in one day. We'll see how it all goes. See y'all next time.